Hello. So this is Casey. Casey. Yeah, yes. So I'm gonna teach you the guitar basics. So here we have here guitar and a beginner. I'm just joking. So let's get started. So so we should start now. For the beginners who wants to watch this, by the way, we have some mini talk now. So first, please subscribe me. I'm not forcing you. I'm just asking favor. So not only I'm not I'm not a professional, but I I just know how to play a guitar. So here we have an old guitar. I just borrowed it because my mom didn't buy me one. So we have in playing a guitar you should know the important rules. Always know the no. So skip that one. So we have six strings in one guitar. Do you see? Six strings, right? So for the index, we have five fingers, right? So this is I don't know the parts of the. So we have the index. I don't know. We have the index, middle, ring, pinky, and the last one is the big part, thumb. So so the open string is the one you strum like this. You see, and the dead string is the one you don't strum, like the A chord. Let me show you. So it has one dead string. Look at this. Look at this. See, I begin here. See. So that's what a dead string looks like. So let's begin. So like I show you before, it was the A chord, not A chord. So this is the A chord. Look at this. A chord, A chord. Where are you? Okay, there. So let's play it. This guitar is too different from what do you call this? From the branded ones. This is just local. So local guitars are not tuned by some reason, probably in other guitars. So let's just skip the discussion. So A has one dead string and that's all. So the D chord. The D looks like this when you play D, like this. So play the D, play the D. Okay, that's the D sound, and then let's just because it's so messy. Then what's next? So next the E looks like this. Then this is what the A sounds like. Oh, I forgot. The D has two dead strings, by the way, so E has no dead strings. All strings are open. So let's get moving with E minor. The E minor is the easiest chord, you believe me. See, look at this, 2 fingers only. See? So this is what the E minor sounds like. And no dead strings, all open strings are in the E minor chord. So let's move in with G. The G is a little bit harder for the beginners, so I am taught already how to play the G, so or how to put the finger on the G. So this is how the G chord sounds like. And by the way, the G chord has no dead strings, all open. So let's get moving with C. The C must be the hardest chord for other beginners. See, look at this. Sorry. So hard for me because beginner. So this is what the C looks like. Sounds like. And it has one dead string. You cannot see because computers. Then if you remember all the chords and all bar chords in the guitar, then you're awesome. So let's get moving with A minor. The A minor is the same with the A chord, but A minor is alike. The position is alike from the E chord, and but the putting of the position is lower than the lower string than the E. So let's get started with A minor. The A minor looks like this, so we're gonna play it. And it has one string. Did I told it? Oh yes. So the D minor has two dead strings, by the way. So the D minor, excuse me, looks like this. Like this. So the D minor, let's go with the piano. So the D minor sounds like that. I have no question about melodic. I know what I'm doing. Joking. So that's the end of guitar lessons. Goodbye. And hope you like it and please subscribe. We're gonna miss you.